Hey guys, my name is Rowan, and today I'm here to show you how to make your goal horn animations on Keynote, just like Evan Kelly does. You hit choose the theme. Well, I usually prefer gradient. Alright, so you get rid of double tap to add, and another one too. You hit plus button, you hit photo or video. And you hit this, I will use PR Riverman logo while I'm doing this. I need a background color. Okay. There, that looks nice. So you hit duplicate and you delete the PR and you delete your logo. You hit plus again. Oh wait. Oh wait, I forgot. Sorry about that. I forgot to show you how to animate. So you hit add built-in. You can use anvil. Anvils are dangerous. You flip. Use another flip. Triple flip. And that's enough. So you use that. You press add build out button. You can use blinds. Done. And that's all for the logo animation. So you do text. So you can turn on title, double tap to add, type goal, and you hit the paintbrush button to add, and you can change your font. You can change the size. You change it to 400 and text color. Where is it? I would use this because it's nice. You change the width and height. So you hit animate, and then you can press the blast button, add action. You hit jiggle, another jiggle, triple jiggle, add build out, and you can hit flip. And there you have it. This is the Keynote Goldhorn animation tutorial. So, hope you understand this, and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow my Instagram, Burger and Fries Boy 2007, and have a good night, everyone.